think of it like Wi-Fi. It's sending off the signals via the scalar plate that way, or you can actually wrap a copper wire around it and connect it to a pyramid, or connect it also to an earthing mat as well, which is very conductive. And you can plug whatever frequencies you particularly need in terms of the programs. And these are sweeping frequencies. These are not standalone frequencies. And the difference between sweeping and standalone frequencies, let's say you have a programs that have something to do with stem cells. So stem cells has a frequency wave from, let's say, 528 hertz to 10,000 in 15-second intervals, getting all the way to 10,000. When it moves in those second intervals, it gives off the effect that has everything to do with stem cells versus just standalone frequencies. And they did this with when they were doing the cancer cell experiment utilizing sound waves to kill off the cancer cells. They didn't tell you that it was this particular frequencies. They said it was a range from this to this, and that's what they meant.
So we searched the U.S. patent database, and we find this invention by a physician, Dr. James Baer of Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's called a resonant frequency therapy device, and its purpose is to induce a resonant vibration in a living organism or cell. Over the course of 15 months, we try hundreds and hundreds of frequencies, if not thousands, until we find the magic combination. It's what we musicians would call the 11th harmonic. When we add the 11th harmonic, we begin to shatter microorganisms like a crystal glass. We showed these videos to our friends in the biology department. They said they hadn't seen anything quite like it. It seems to be a new phenomenon. These organisms are being shattered by our electronic signals. We now know that cancer is vulnerable between the frequencies of 100,000 hertz and 300,000 hertz. Leukemia cell number 1 tries to grow a copy of itself, but the new cell is shattered into dozens of fragments and scattered across the slide. Leukemia cell number 2 then hyperinflates and also dies. Leukemia cell number 3 then tries to make another cancer cell. The new cell is shattered and the original cell dies.